Good morning, it's Wednesday, June 28th, 6 a.m. Central Time. I'm Philip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures, giving you a Precious Metals Minute. So looking at the precious metals overnight, they were significantly weaker. You got gold down $8, trade at $19.16. Silver down 27 cents at $22.87. Copper down 3 at $3.75. And platinum down 9 at $9.25. If you throw up a daily chart on the platinum market, you'll see that they are matching those February and March lows. So we do have a triple bottom that could be forming right here. Now, its sister metal, the Palladium market, which we generally don't cover because the margin requirements on it are about $22,000, and the particular metal has a multiplier of $100 per every dollar move, generally moves $20, $30, $40 a day. So it becomes inappropriate for many commodity accounts out there. But the net spec and fund positioning in Palladium, which is the sister metal of platinum, is short 10,000 contracts. The open interest is only about 13,500. Now remember that every bull market is born out of a short covering rally like what we just saw in the grain markets. So perhaps if we get some kind of catalyst, we get those shorts to unwind those positions. You could have the spillover effect on platinum, which could then in turn affect other metals such as copper or silver as well. Now, yesterday it was kind of a 1-2 punch for gold and silver on the downside. You saw consumer confidence come out at the highest level since early 2022, and then you had new home sales, those surprised to the upside. The Biden administration came out and said that, hey, we might be in for a soft landing. We may avoid this recession altogether. So you started getting the consumer started really jumping into the market here. We saw U.S. equities all cycle back on up, everything from the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Russell, and the Dow. Now, some things that happened overnight, the U.S. weighed curbs on exports of chips over to China. And what that's going to do is create some more further tensions between the US and China. They'll most likely avoid buying some of our other products here as they have to take a countermeasure against us. And also remember, China is in a slowdown patch as well. So this is going to create some additional tensions. So we're seeing a spillover effect where the agricultural markets are all weaker in the overnight. We're seeing that the energies are barely able to hold on to any gains. Now, some things I'm going to be watching today, you're going to have Jerome Powell. He's going to speak at 8:30 Central, and we'll see if he has any kind of impact. He's really been quite hawkish out there, so I think that perhaps that's what some of this also early weakness in the metals markets is expressing right now. We are approaching some oversold territories again across the board, but we have been approaching those for quite a while. Your downside probable range on the gold market, about 1913.50 on up to about 1935. Silver kind of ratcheting lower. We're at the low end of the probable range on the day right now, about 22.88. The upside would be 23.41. And then looking at copper from 376 to 383, we're sitting right at that bottom end of the range. So all these metals are really coming in on their back foot to start the day. If you got any questions, futures option trading, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading does involve risk loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.